Hello and welcome to this video, guys. Today I am so excited to announce the launch of my 35 PDU PMP Certification Exam Preparation online course on Udemy. If you are preparing for your Project Management Professional Certification exam and your target is to get PMP certified on your very first attempt, this course is for you. I am Ray, a PMP certified project manager with over 10 years of project management work experience. Currently, I am working in London as a senior project manager, and I have helped thousands of PMP aspirants like you across the globe to pass their PMP exam on the very first attempt. Make sure you watch this entire video to understand the details of this 35 PDU online course, okay? And also at the end of this video, I have a very special launch offer for all of you where you can get this course at only $9.99, which is at a massive 90% discount from the base price of Udemy of $85. I will speak about the details of this offer at the end of the video. So here is what this 35 PDU online course has to offer for your PMP certification exam preparation. So firstly, this course will provide you with the 35 PDUs required for your PMP exam application. You will earn these 35 PDUs as a combination of video lectures, assignments and quizzes, which builds this whole course together. This course is a perfect mix of direct learning and self-study to provide you with an active learning experience. I have strategically not made this course as an entire video-based course of 35 hours of dragging video lectures, because that way the learning would have been very passive and boring, which in turn would have been less effective for your PMP exam. Next, this course is one of the very few courses in the industry which actually covers all the PMP examination content or the ECO topics in detail, okay? Because you need to understand that the syllabus of the PMP exam is not the PMBOK, but the PMI examination content outline for the PMP exam, okay? And along the way, I have covered topics from agile, hybrid, and predictive project management techniques extensively. And when it comes to my teaching style, you will see that it focuses more on the application rather than just memorization. Next, once you register for this course, you will receive a 1100 plus page ebook as your PMP exam preparation guide. And on top of this, a 150 question and answer workbook based primarily on the concepts of PMBOK 7th edition. So these will be your key resources for self-study and active learning in parallel, okay, as you are watching the video-based lectures of this course. Now let's talk about the next feature of this online course. By registering for this course, you will get access to a custom Excel-based study plan for your PMP exam, along with the frameworks developed by me to solve PMP questions and answers quickly and effectively during the exam. Also, once you learn my proprietary frameworks to solve PMP questions and answers and do the practice quizzes, you will be amazed to see how fast you are able to solve PMP style questions of medium and high difficulty level when compared to your peers, okay? I can definitely say that these frameworks will be like your trump cards of success in the PMP exam. And finally, in this course, I have covered the most highly tested topics of the PMP exam syllabus, along with over 100 practice question and answers for PMP scenario-based questions. So these highly tested topics covered in this course are the ones from where you will get most of your questions in the PMP exam. So this is a classic example of Pareto's 80-20 principle, where you focus only on the 20% of the PMP exam syllabus that will generate 80% of the questions in your PMP exam. So you see, rather than being boring, repetitive and filled with endless dragging lectures on theory, this PMP exam preparation course is fast-paced, crisp, strategy-based and with exact mix of theory and practical learning elements to help you prepare in the most effective way for your PMP exam. Now, as promised guys, I am giving out this course at a 90% introductory discount only for the next 4 days, okay? So you can enroll for this course on Udemy only for $9.99 versus the base price of $85. Also, please note guys that this promotion offer is only valid for the next 4 days starting today and only for the first 1,000 registrations, okay? So please don't miss out on this offer before it expires. You will find the discount coupon and the link in the description section of this video. I will also pin that in the comment section. So make sure you refer to that after you have watched this video. Now, there is absolutely no reason to hesitate, okay? If you are a project manager who is willing to get PMP certified to get your dream job or to get that dream promotion which you were looking for over the last couple of years, or even if you are planning to get PMP certified to build your overall profile as a project manager in the industry, this course is for you. So, what are you waiting for? Please register for this course using the discounted link in the description section and I will see you inside the course.